In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Framer. Masking is a simple, non-destructive way to control what parts of an image are visible, so you can crop precisely, create tidy layouts, and design polished reveals without permanently editing your asset. By the end, you'll know exactly where the control lives in Framer and how to turn it on confidently. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. You can use any modern browser, and it helps to have it updated so the interface looks and behaves as expected. Once the site loads, make sure you're working in your own Framer workspace so you can access your design files. Next, head straight to your project canvas. The canvas is the central workspace where all your layers live, and it's where you'll see your layout exactly as it's composed. If you already have a project open, bring that tab forward. If you're switching between files inside Framer, just navigate to the one you want to edit so the canvas is in view. Now click on the image you want to mask. You should see a bounding box appear around it, confirming it's selected. If your image sits beneath other elements, clicking directly might select something else first. In that case, glance at the Layers panel and click the image layer by name to make sure you're targeting the right element. A clean selection will make the next step straightforward. Look to the right side of the interface and find the Styles section in the Properties panel. This panel shows all the visual controls for the selected layer. If you don't see Styles immediately, it may be collapsed. Simply expand it so you can view all the available design options related to color, effects, and more. Click into Style to reveal the full set of visual properties for your image. This is where Framer groups appearance-related settings, and it's exactly where masking lives. Keeping your image selected, you'll be ready to enable the mask in one click. Finally, click on Mask. The moment you do, Framer applies a mask based on the image layer's bounds, hiding anything that falls outside the frame while keeping your original image untouched. This is non-destructive, so you can safely experiment. If you want a tighter or looser crop, adjust the layer's frame to change what's revealed. And if you ever need to see the full image again, return to the same area in the right panel and toggle Mask off. That's it. You've enabled masking in Framer quickly and cleanly right from the Style section. Keep practicing on different images to get a feel for precise crops and consistent layouts across your designs.